Take the water hardness testing strip from the gift box or DeLonghi Coffee Care Kit and carefully remove the protective seal. Dip the testing strip in fresh cold water for a few seconds. Observe the number of squares that change colour. 1 square equals very soft water, 2 squares equals soft water, 3 squares equals hard water, 4 squares equals very hard water. Plug the appliance in at the mains and switch on at the back. With the machine in standby, press and hold the rinse to scale button until the 4 lights come on steady. Press the Eco button to select the water hardness to very soft water, again for soft water, again for hard water, again for very hard water. Press the rinse to scale button again to confirm.